Hey guys, welcome to Biolife Academy. This is your educator Divakar Ghosh. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of amino acids. Amino acids are basically the building blocks of protein molecules. If we see the basic structure of amino acid, we can find a chiral carbon which is attached to a NH2 group and a carboxyl group. A hydrogen atom is also present with a R group. This R group varies in different amino acids. If we see the structure of different amino acids, we will find different R groups. Like first coming into the hydrophobic ones that are non-polar ones. In non-polar amino acids like glycine, we can find a structure of R group like this. Only a hydrogen atom is present in this R group. In alanine, we can found a methyl group attached to this carbon. Then valine. In valine we will find this group a CH, then CH3 and CH3. This group is attached to the chiral carbon. Now leucine. In leucine we will find this group CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. This group is attached to this chiral carbon. And the last non-polar group, that is isoleucine. Here we will find that it is just like leucine, but the position of this methyl group changes like this. CH, it will be like CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. These are all non-polar amino acids, and these groups are attached to this chiral carbon in the place of this R group. Now coming into the amino acids where we can see OH group is present, that is hydroxyl group containing amino acids. In serine we can see this, that a CH2OH group is attached to this chiral carbon. Okay. Next is threonine. Here we can see a CHOH CH3 group is attached to the chiral carbon. Okay. Now coming into the sulfur containing amino acids, let's see what we can find. In cysteine we can find CH2 SH group. This group is attached to the chiral carbon. In methionine which is the first amino acid of protein synthesis, we can find a structure like this, CH2, CH2, a sulfur is between two methyl groups. This sulfur is present in the middle. Okay. Now the acidic ones, there are two acidic ones basically. One is glutamate and another one is aspartate. In aspartate, the structure is like this, CH2 COOH. Only this group is attached to the chiral carbon. And in glutamate we can see CH2 CH2 COOH. Okay, this is attached to the chiral carbon. Now the basic ones, what we can see in the basic ones, we can see first coming into lysine. In lysine we can see CH2 whole 4 NH2. This group is attached to the chiral carbon. In arginine, CH2 whole 3 NH C NH NH. This group is attached to the chiral carbon. Histidine we can see it is a bit different. CH2, we have to draw like this. Two nitrogens are there and they are attached to this like this. A double bond is present here. Okay, this is histidine. Proline, in proline we can see it is also different in structure. CH COOH here is NH plus. This is the structure of proline, very easy, you have to remember this. Now at last we will come into the aromatic ones. Aromatic amino acids. First, phenylalanine. We can see a group like this, CH2 and a benzene ring. In tyrosine, we will draw it like phenylalanine and attach a OH group at this end. That's tyrosine. And the last one is tryptophan. Here we will see CH2 there are two double bonds present here. Now we will draw a benzene ring here. This is the R group of tryptophan. Two are left here. Amide groups. One is asparagine, another one is glutamine. First we will draw the structure that we have found in aspartic acid and we will replace the OH with NH2. It will differ in aspartate. Okay. Glutamine we will do the same, CH2 CH2 and CO we will not write OH here, we will write NH2. That's the structure of glutamine. Okay, that's all the structures of amino acids. Hope it is easy to understand this and you will remember this very easily. Biolife Academy is organizing different online classes for the students of class 9, 10, 11, 12 and graduation. We are providing you the best online learning experience through fun learning strategies and smart hacks. To enroll any of our courses mentioned here, you can contact us. The contact details are mentioned here. If you like the video, you can hit the like button, comment and share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of our upcoming videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Stay scientifically curious.